Welcome to this tutorial on how to open an Interactive Brokers account. If you're looking to trade stocks, options, or futures, you've come to the right place. We will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, visit the Interactive Brokers website. Once there, look for the Open Account button. Clicking it will direct you to a form where you will need to provide some personal information. This includes your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure the information you enter is accurate, as it will be used for verification. After filling out the initial form, you will need to select the type of account you wish to open. Interactive Brokers offers different account types for individual investors, businesses, and professional traders. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Next, you will be asked to provide financial background information, which may include your employment status, investment experience, and financial status. Once you have completed all necessary forms, review your information carefully before submitting it. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email. It may take a little time for your application to be processed. Once approved, you will be able to fund your account and start trading. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to open an Interactive Brokers account. Happy trading!